straightening out the shank of the hinge.
Mm-hmm.
Then back to wire brush. Get any of slag off, any of the scale off. Because I was hitting over the edge of the anvil, my hole has gotten kind of smooshed.
Gotcha.
So we put, it's going to be the size of the pinch, just 1/4 inch round stock.
Mm-hmm.
And just reshape your hinge section. I know that it fell out that way. I'm just going to go in the opposite direction now. This also gets out any of the flux that might have gotten inside there.
Right.
So you can see the difference between that and that now. That's just the first time through, so it's still a little bit separate there.